What is a blockchain? When listening to people talk about cryptocurrencies, you might have heard them mentioning something such as blockchain being the true innovation behind the crypto revolution. But what exactly is a blockchain, and why is it so innovative? In a nutshell, a blockchain is a distributed database that can store information electronically in a digital format. In the case of cryptocurrencies, you can imagine it is a type of digital ledger that records and stores all transactions done by the participants of the network. As boring and as old a digital ledger might sound to you, the true innovation of blockchain lies in the fact that it guarantees fidelity and security of recorded information without the need for a trusted third party. In the world of cryptocurrencies, this means transactions can be done without having to trust a third party, such as a central bank. A blockchain collects a certain amount of data and then groups the information into so-called blocks, which are always linked to the previously filled blocks, thus creating a blockchain. This data structure makes an irreversible timeline of information if it is implemented in a decentralized nature. Every participant of the network, so-called nodes, always hold and validate every block. In order to hack into the network, intruders would thus have to take over 51% of the network. Due to the current size of the Bitcoin network, this is deemed as almost impossible. Because of the decentralized nature of most blockchains, all information is always transparent to every participant of the network, allowing everyone to precisely track every transaction to wherever it goes.